Hello everyone, welcome to the next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to solve some problems based on the concepts that we studied earlier, okay? So in the first problem, we need to find the equivalent inductance, okay, across the terminals A and B, okay? So in this figure, as you can see, like these three inductors, okay? These three inductors are connected between the same node, okay? So let's say if this is your node C, it means that these three inductors are connected between the node C and your node A, okay? So it means that these three inductors are connected in parallel, okay? Similarly, these three inductors are also connected in parallel. So LE1 will be equal to the parallel combination of these three resistors, okay? So which will be equal to L by 3, okay? Also, if let's say this node is D, it means that the equivalent inductance of these three inductors, LE2, so LE2 will also be equal to L by 3, okay? Now, this will be the simplified version of this of the above network, okay? So it means that the series combination of these three inductors will be equal to L in series will be equal to L by 3 plus L by 3 plus L, which is equal to 5L by 3, okay? And this 5L by 3 is connected in parallel with this particular inductor. This means that equivalent inductance LAB will be equal to the parallel combination of L in parallel with 5L by 3. So, which is coming out to be, so that is coming out to be 5L by 8, okay? So the equivalent inductance across the terminals A and B will be equal to 5L by 8, okay? So I hope it is clear. Let's solve the second problem. So in this problem, we need to find the equivalent capacitance across the terminals A and B, okay? So let's say this is your node C. It means that this node and these two nodes are connected, so this node will also be equal to C, okay? So as you can see, this 1 farad and 3 farad capacitor are connected between the same nodes B and C. So it means that they are connected in parallel, okay? So their equivalent capacitance will be equal to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 farad, okay? Similarly, this 3 farad capacitor and 1 farad capacitor are also connected between the same node, okay? So they are also connected in parallel. It means that their equivalent capacitance will be equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 farads, okay? So this will be the simplified version of this particular electrical network, okay? So as you can see, these two capacitors are connected in series. It means that their equivalent capacitance will be equal to 4 in series with 4, so that will be equal to your 2 farads. And this 2 farad capacitor, the combination is connected in parallel with 10 farad capacitor, okay? So the equivalent capacitance CAB will be equal to 2 plus 10, which is equal to 12 farads, okay? So I hope it is clear. So now let's solve the third problem, okay? So in this also, we need to find the equivalent resistance between the terminals A and B in a ladder network, okay, which is approaching to infinity, okay? So as you can see, this particular 1 ohm and 1 ohm branch is repeating again and again, okay? So it means that, so this will be the simplified form of the above ladder network, okay? So it means that the value of RAB will be equal to 1 plus the parallel combination of this 1 ohm resistor in parallel with RAB. So 1 in parallel with RAB. It means that this implies, so RAB will be equal to 1 plus RAB over 1 plus RAB, okay? So on further simplifying it, we are getting RAB 1 plus RAB, okay, is equal to 1 plus 2 RAB, B. Okay. So it means that we are getting a quadratic equation as RAB square minus RAB minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So on solving this quadratic equation, we are getting the value of RAB to be equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Okay. Ohms. Okay. So I hope it is clear how we are solving this problem. Okay. So that's all for today, guys. I will see you in the next tutorial.